In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add stack buttons on Linktree. We'll walk through customizing the look of your stacked buttons so your profile feels on brand, clear, and easy to navigate. Start by opening your Linktree admin and taking a quick look at your links area so you know what you're working with. Then head over to the design panel on the left and open the buttons section. This is where all the visual settings for your stacked buttons live, and changes you make here will reflect across your profile. Begin with the button style. This controls the overall look and presence of each link. Choose a style that matches your brand's tone and the density of your content. A solid filled style tends to stand out and is great for high visibility calls to action, while outline or minimal styles feel lighter and can work nicely when you have many links. If your background is busy, a bolder style can improve legibility. Next, adjust the corner roundness. This is a small tweak with a big impact on personality. Square or slightly rounded corners feel clean and modern. Fully rounded, pill-shaped buttons feel friendly and approachable. Think about aligning this choice with your logo and overall brand shape so everything feels cohesive. Now fine-tune the button shadow. A subtle shadow adds depth and helps each button pop from the background, improving scannability on mobile. Keep it light if your colors are bold. Go a touch stronger if your background and buttons are similar in tone. The goal is separation without distraction. Move on to button color. Pick a color that is unmistakably yours and consistent with your brand palette. If you use a primary brand color, this is the perfect place to showcase it. Make sure it works against your chosen background and doesn't clash with your profile image or theme. If you rely on hex codes, enter them here for precise control. Then set the button text color. Prioritize readability. High contrast is essential. Dark text on light buttons or light text on dark buttons. If you're unsure, near black or white often provides the clearest result. Aim for strong contrast so links remain easy to read in bright or dim environments. As you tweak each setting, keep an eye on the live preview to ensure the overall look feels balanced. Consistency across style, roundness, shadow, and colors creates a polished, professional profile that guides visitors effortlessly to your most important links. That's it, your stack buttons now look clean, consistent, and on brand. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your refreshed link tree.